Today is the big game. Manchester United versus Liverpool FC. If you know, you know. We are gonna carry the day today, all right? Yeah, you see me in my Man U hat, and check out now. A big day, a big day. So how are you guys getting on? You ready for the big match? See you all there, whether on tele or live, physically. Get ready for the big game. It's Man U for life, Man U forever. No bad mouth. We can do it. You know how we roll. Watch out for the big game and keep it there with us. I know Liverpool, you never walk alone. Just pray you don't walk alone today. Man U, the Reds. The Reds. Yeah, get ready. Get ready, guys. That's Oracle saying hello, saying happy Sunday. This Sunday, feast of baptism of our Lord Jesus Christ. Happy and blessed Sunday of the baptism of our Lord Jesus Christ. May our Lord Jesus Christ have mercy on us, have mercy on everyone. And today, we are going to have a win to celebrate this. Catch you guys. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah. I forgot my shining thing. I sing. Ibuchi mo, ibuchi m. Ibuchi anya nji afụ ụzọ. Agada gbachiri ụzọ nwoke obiọma. Ọlịlanya nke ndị nsọ. Ahịhịa nwụrụ ọkụ ma ahịhịa ele ya ọkụ. Ọ gịnị ka m ga-eji tụọrọ gị ozoro gị? Aga m akpụ isi ala nye gị nna m. Ibuchi. In those days, in Super Eagles matches, you will hear Ebidonaranuba is a miracle working God. You know, we are getting on. We are carrying the day. We are winning. It's a miracle working God. The opponent, you won't have rest again because the guys then, the Super Eagles of old, you will see things happening. I know the new guys will still do something. They will make us proud. Super Eagles. He's a miracle working God. He's the Alpha and Omega. He's a miracle working God. I remind you, you are winning us, and then in the 80th minute or 85 minutes, you are not resting. Mind you, the great mind you, when you remember from flanks, 11, 7, and center, you will see bam, bam, goal, bam, bam, goal, bam, bam, equalize, bam, bam, winning. That's Man U then. You remember Ferguson, Fergie, and then the others. We are going to bounce back. Man U, great Man U. See you guys there. Enjoy your day and enjoy your week.